Hello. During this video, we will show you how you can make a part payment towards an outstanding or overdue subscription fee using myACCA. First, you need to log into myACCA. To do so, you will require your username and password. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. If you have an outstanding balance, you can click on the notification card, which will open the transaction summary page in a new tab. The transaction summary will show all of your transactional activity with ACCA. Select the invoice that you wish to make a payment towards, and then click Pay. On the next screen, you can adjust the amount that you wish to pay. To do this, type in the Payment Amount section the amount that you want to pay and click Recalculate. Please remember that payments are made in GBP. You will see that the total payment amount has changed, and when you click Pay, you'll be taken to the payment system for you to enter your payment information. Once you have entered your details and completed the transaction, you'll return to the transaction summary screen.